Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Geeks. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with the latest tech trends. Today, we're diving into the top 5 tech innovations to watch in 2024 and how they might shape the future. We're talking about things that seemed impossible a few years ago, stuff that's straight out of sci-fi, but it's becoming our reality. So buckle up, let's get into it. First up, we have AI and machine learning. In 2024, we're expecting some groundbreaking advancements in this field. From more sophisticated natural language processing to AI-driven personalized experiences, the potential applications are basically endless. Think about it. AI that can not only understand what you're saying, but actually get the emotion behind it. That changes everything about how we interact with technology, right? It's like going from typing on a keyboard to actually having a conversation with your devices. Companies are investing heavily in AI to improve customer service, streamline operations, and even predict market trends. We see this already, right? Your streaming service recommending shows you actually want to watch, your phone giving you traffic updates before you even ask. But this is just the beginning. Imagine AI customer service that can actually solve complex problems, not just read from a script. Or AI that can analyze massive data sets to help businesses make super-informed decisions. This isn't about replacing humans, it's about AI taking care of the heavy lifting so that we can focus on the creative, strategic stuff. And then there's the whole world of personalized experiences. Imagine healthcare tailored to your exact DNA, education that adapts to your learning style, even entertainment that's curated specifically for you. It's about making technology work better and smarter for everyone. It's fascinating to see how AI is not just automating tasks, but also enhancing human capabilities. It's like having a superpowered assistant that's constantly learning and evolving. But with all this potential comes a responsibility, right? We need to make sure AI is developed ethically, with safeguards in place. We don't want to end up in some sci-fi movie where the machines take over, right? Overall, AI and machine learning are going to be huge in 2024 and beyond. It's one of those things that has the potential to change the world as we know it. And I, for one, am excited to see where it goes. Next, let's talk about quantum computing. This isn't just a buzzword, it's set to revolutionize the tech industry. Quantum computers use the principles of quantum mechanics to perform complex calculations at speeds that make our current computers look like dinosaurs. We're talking about solving problems in seconds that would take traditional computers millions of years. Problems like breaking encryption codes that are currently considered unbreakable, or simulating complex molecules to develop life-saving drugs. The possibilities are mind-blowing. Imagine a world where we can design new materials with specific properties like super strong but lightweight alloys for aircraft or buildings. Or imagine developing personalized medicine based on your unique genetic makeup. Quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize fields like medicine, materials science, and artificial intelligence. It's like unlocking a whole new level of computing power that we've never had access to before. Now, quantum computers are still in their early stages of development. They're expensive to build and maintain, and we're still figuring out the best ways to program them. But the progress we're seeing is incredible. Major tech companies like Google, IBM, and Microsoft are all investing heavily in quantum computing research. And governments around the world are recognizing the strategic importance of this technology. We're likely to see quantum computers being used to solve real-world problems within the next few years. And as the technology matures, the cost will come down, making it more accessible to researchers and businesses. Quantum computing is definitely a game changer. It's a long game, but the potential payoff is enormous. We're just scratching the surface of what quantum computing can achieve. Chapter 3. The Metaverse. It's more than just VR. Have you ever imagined living in a digital world? Not just playing a game, but actually working, socializing, even attending concerts, all within a virtual environment? Well, the metaverse and virtual reality are making that a reality. In 2024, we're going to see more immersive VR experiences, from virtual offices to gaming worlds that feel incredibly real. Forget those clunky headsets and laggy graphics from a few years ago. We're talking about high-resolution displays, spatial audio that puts you right in the action, and haptic feedback that lets you feel what you touch in the virtual world. companies like Meta and other tech giants are investing heavily in creating expansive virtual worlds where you can work, play, and socialize. Imagine attending a meeting with colleagues from all over the world, all sitting around a virtual table, or catching up with friends at a virtual concert, all from the comfort of your own home. But the metaverse is more than just VR. It's about creating a persistent, shared digital space that's accessible from any device. Think of it like a three-dimensional internet that you can actually step into and interact with. This has huge implications for everything from education and healthcare to entertainment and social media. Imagine learning history by virtually traveling back in time or attending a medical consultation with a doctor who's thousands of miles away. Of course, there are challenges to overcome. Creating a truly immersive and interconnected metaverse requires massive amounts of computing power and bandwidth. And there are important questions about privacy, security, and accessibility that need to be addressed. But the potential is undeniable. The metaverse has the potential to change how we live, work, and interact with each other. It's a concept that's been around for a while, but in 2024, I think we're going to see some major breakthroughs that will bring it closer to reality. The line between the physical and digital worlds is becoming increasingly blurred, and that's pretty exciting. Chapter 4: Biotech and Health Tech, a new era of well-being. Now let's switch gears to biotechnology and health tech. This is an area where technology is literally saving lives and improving the quality of life for millions of people. The pandemic really accelerated innovation in this space. Think about it. Telemedicine went from a niche thing to mainstream almost overnight. And now, in 2024, we're expecting even more advancements. From AI-driven diagnostics to personalized medicine, technology is transforming healthcare. Imagine a world where diseases are detected early through smart devices. Your smartwatch could alert you to irregular heartbeats, or a simple blood test could detect cancer cells years before they become a problem. And then there's personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored specifically to your genetic makeup. This means more effective treatments with fewer side effects. It's about moving away from a one-size-fits-all approach to healthcare and towards a more personalized and proactive model. We're also seeing incredible advancements in areas like gene editing, which has the potential to cure genetic diseases, and regenerative medicine, which is focused on repairing or replacing damaged tissues and organs. These technologies are not just improving health outcomes, but also making healthcare more accessible. Imagine remote areas having access to specialists through telemedicine, or AI-powered diagnostic tools that can be used by healthcare workers with limited training. Of course, there are ethical and regulatory hurdles to overcome with any new technology, especially in healthcare. But the potential to improve human health and well-being is enormous. Biotechnology and health tech are fields that are moving incredibly fast. It's an exciting time to be following these developments because we're seeing breakthroughs happen in real time that are going to have a profound impact on our lives. Chapter 5: Renewable Energy and Sustainability, Powering a Greener Future. Finally, let's talk about renewable energy and sustainability. With the climate crisis becoming more urgent, tech innovations in this field are crucial. It's not just about saving the planet, it's about creating a more sustainable and equitable future for everyone. In 2024, we're likely to see advancements in solar technology, making it even more efficient and affordable. We're talking about solar panels that can generate more electricity from the same amount of sunlight, and even transparent solar panels that can be integrated into windows and buildings. And it's not just solar. Wind energy is also becoming more efficient and cost-effective, with larger turbines and advancements in offshore wind farms. But generating clean energy is only part of the solution. We also need to store it effectively and distribute it efficiently. That's where advancements in battery technology and smart grids come in. We're seeing breakthroughs in battery technology that will allow us to store more energy from renewable sources like solar and wind, making them more reliable and viable alternatives to fossil fuels. And then there are smart grids, which use sensors and software to optimize energy distribution, reducing waste, and making the entire grid more efficient. These technologies not only help reduce our carbon footprint, but also pave the way for a more decentralized and resilient energy system. Imagine a world where homes and businesses generate their own clean energy and even share it with their neighbors. It's exciting to see how technology can contribute to solving some of the world's biggest challenges, like climate change. It's not just about developing new gadgets. It's about using technology to create a more sustainable and equitable future for everyone. That's it for today's video on the top 5 tech innovations to watch in 2024. From AI that feels like it can read your mind to quantum computers that are straight out of Star Trek, the future is looking pretty wild. But in a good way, I think. What do you think will be the most impactful innovation? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.